Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and today's post is about VSA, the tolerance stack-up analysis software that is a plugin to NX, and it's also a Teamcenter plugin from Siemens. It's really pretty cool. This video is a repost of another video that's much longer, and I will be sharing other pieces of it as we go. Please give it a listen and provide feedback. Again, my name's Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries. Thanks in advance for listening.
VSA is an engineering tool in our MBQ portfolio for designing and optimizing part and assembly GD&Ts. It does so through tolerance analysis and variation simulation. Tolerance analysis or stack-up study is an engineering method for understanding how the variation of individual part geometric features and the variation of their assembly process contribute to higher level key product characteristics, also known as KPC. Those top contributing variations are identified as critical to quality factors, also known as CTQ, and are to be closely monitored and controlled during manufacturing. Therefore, the CTQs are often also referred to as key control characteristics, or KCC. Variation simulation is a computerized method for performing 3D tolerance analysis and optimization through Monte Carlo simulation of part tolerance fabrication, assembly tolerance stack-up, and KPC tolerance measurement. VSA input includes 3D models, initial GD&Ts, assembly process, other dimensional variation factors such as deflections and deformations, as well as KPC measurement requirements. The 3D models for VSA could be from many different CAD platforms through the JT format. The initial tolerances could be from company design guidelines, standards, or empirical data such as metrology data and experimental findings. The assembly process includes both assembly sequences and locating methods. The KPC could be from design requirements, manufacturing experience, and the lessons learned, and other quality activities such as Six Sigma studies, failure mode and effect analysis, also known as FMEA. VSA output includes KPC performance and KCC contributor report. The KPC simulation results can predict KPC variation and quality percentage rate from product design and assembly process planning. And the KCC contributor reports can list and rank all the contributing tolerances or manufacturing variations and identify top contributors for design improvement and manufacturing focus. GD&T optimization using VSA is a highly iterative process between design specification and engineering verification until the product design, including geometries and PMIs, are fully optimized and ready for release.
This little snippet comes to us from John Zhang from Siemens, who is kind enough to lend us this video. There's a lot more of this that I'll be sharing. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe.